Copywriting is one of the most important things in marketing, but can AI help us write it?
It's the Joe Show.
It's the Joe Show! With me, Joe. That's right, it's Technology Tuesday. Now I've been talking about OpenAI's GPT-3 for a little bit now, and finally some applications are starting to hit the market that you can interact with. And I also work in startups, and if you're not aware, copywriting is extremely important when you're in marketing. Copywriting is not when you copyright something to say, hey, this is mine. A copywriter is somebody who writes copy for marketing, sales, or promotional material. And so I figured let's compare two platforms that I found that use GPT-3, OpenAI, neural network learning methods to generate their copy. The first one is called Copysmith, and the second one is called Snazzy.ai. And there's a little bit of competition going on here because in the post of Copysmith, I found the founder of Snazzy saying, hey, Copysmith, we got some beef, bro. One of the dudes working with you has infiltrated my company and I've been giving him secrets. And now you guys Copysmith my copyrighted Snazzy.ai. Pretty much we got corporate espionage, but that's all right. They're both so new that we can compare them. Let's see what type of content we can generate here. First one that we're checking out is Copysmith. We can see here, I'm already on it. We got the template screen. This is actually the dashboard. I already went through the account stuff, so don't have to watch that. But we got content templates over here on the left-hand side. You can create a Google ad, a Facebook ad, a product description, or some taglines. Let's go with a product description and create a new product. Give my ad a new name, first ad. I think maybe I already tried that out once, but shh, don't tell anybody. We're doing this fresh. So here is the product description dashboard. We've got 4 required fields: company name, product characteristics, brand keywords, and then it seems like on the right-hand side we'll get our product descriptions. Let's start with company name, and I thought because I'm technically a product, let's use me as the example. So the company name is Go Joe Show. That's the show you're watching. Product name, we've got Joe himself. That's me. And then we got product characteristics. Honestly, I've already done this before, so let's just add all the ones that I added before. Bald, slightly funny, future forward. I talk about the future often. Likes startups, obviously I work with them. Likes video games, yeah, who doesn't? Likes technology. Let's add one more because why not? Dubstep. And then we got some brand keywords. These are keywords that are involved with my brand, the Go Joe Show. I got, no, those are the ones from last time. That's not what we want to use. We want to use technology because I talk about tech stuff. And then let's just use the themes from the week. So we got Window Wanderer. We have Thoughtful Thursday. We've got free compliments on Friday, and then we've got motivational, and then we also have indie weekend, right? So here we go. We're gonna click generate again to recap. Company name, the Go Joe Show. The product name is Joe himself. My product characteristics, if I were a product. The product is bald. It's slightly funny, future forward, likes startups, likes video games, likes technology, also listens to dubstep occasionally. Brand keywords involve technology, Window Wanderer, indie weekend, Thoughtful Thursday, free compliments, motivational, and indie weekend. Let's generate and see what we get. If you haven't watched my video about breathing and taking breaths and how to breathe better, you can watch that. I put up a card for it. Now let's see what we got. Product description here. Joe himself from Go Joe Show is the top one. Joe is a bit of a dreamer, but he's also the kind of guy who wants you but he's also the kind of guy you want to have around when things get tough. He's always been thinking about the next big thing and has no problem sharing his ideas with anyone who will listen. Yo, this is actually really accurate. Holy cow. His bald head, oh, hey now. An easy smile. How did they know I have a nice smile? Make him look like your favorite uncle. Huh? If your uncle is cool enough to work on video games and give out free compliments. That would be a cool uncle, dude. If you ever find yourself in need of some motivation, he'll be sure to help get you back on track. Oh, actually, like, look at this smile right now is legit. That is a great product description, and it was based on myself and nothing else with these weird characteristics that I put in. That is some really well-generated content. I'm very curious how they trained this or what they used as the seed for this type of generation. Let's read the next one to see what they got. Joe is a window Joe is a window washer turned entrepreneur. Not quite, but let's keep going. He is known for giving away compliments to people he sees in his travels and has been known to do random acts of kindness. He has a passion for technology and innovation and is always looking for ways to make the world a better place. Yo, that's right. I am always looking for ways to make the world a better place. Product name, app. A social network for Windows. Oh my God. A social network for windows washers from around the world to share their stories, videos, and photos with each other. If I were app, apparently I'd be a window washer social network. I'm not sure how big that can get. It doesn't sound very scalable. It sounds extremely niche, but it could be very strong in a niche. That is so funny. Let's hop over to Snazzy, their competitor, who claimed that they copied them, and see what's going on. So I did the exact same thing on Snazzy, and honestly, their dashboard is very similar. I've already jumped past the dashboard into the creation, so we're just gonna have to start here. It says let's train Snazzy, so we got to get it to be trained kind of the same. I want to also try to make it very similar to what we just did in Copysmith, so we can compare and contrast. So it says, what are you? Startup, agency, large business, other. We're gonna say startup. Company description, we're gonna say a daily YouTube show about. We're just going to put a daily YouTube show. Audience, I'm not sure what audience is really referring to. Audience is men, women. You. Dubstep enthusiasts. That's not right. Enthusiasts, technologists, and then we have gamers. We'll stick with that. Brand keywords, we already have these from the last one. We got technology, we got window wander, indie weekend, thoughtful Thursday, free compliments, and then motivational. Pretty much the same as the last one. Let's finish this and see what we get. Yo, I'm so excited to see what's generated. The last ones were so good. That very first one was actually pretty spot on. Okay, so I was incorrect. It seems like that was just a seed that we can use to generate these templates, which are landing pages, Google Ads, and taglines. We're going to go with a landing page because I feel like it's going to generate the most copy so that we can compare it to the other ones. So let's click it. And then it says, yeah, company name, go Joe Show, brand keywords, audience, and then description. And now it's generating. We can see here, turning on the magic. Let's see here. Okay, that's a interesting picture. Definitely not the same as what I thought we were going to get. Also, you didn't see this, but I had to put in my credit card information to activate a 3-day trial. Afterwards, it costs $75 a month. I will definitely be canceling the trial because I don't want to use this product if it's not very good. But also, I did this for you guys so we can see it. But no, if you do like Snazzy, it does cost money. This doesn't seem to be done yet. It's still generating. So far it says Go Joe Show, a YouTube channel to keep you fascinated every day. Your daily dose of life's essentials, motivation, tech tips, and a free compliment. That's cute. The tech stack you need. Found the tools and services you need to run your business. What are you supposed to do with the next 7 minutes of your spare time? Trust us, you want to check this out. Maybe I should make that video. Thoughtful Thursday. What are you going to do with the next 7 minutes of your time? Stable stream. Don't know how to lose your music. Blah, 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 blah. Get started. Follow along with your very own business. I don't know exactly is this it? Is this what we get? This is the landing page? Huh. I'm going to click create again. I'm really not impressed with Snazzy's content at all. I definitely like Copysmith better. The Go Joe Show. Each day, YouTube show host Joe delivers a video audio mix of new dubstep music, tech advice, and inspirational changes in perspective. Maybe that's what I should be doing. A mixture of dubstep, tech advice, and inspirational changes for perspective. Wow. So far, I like the other description much better. It made me sound like a great product. This, I'm not as impressed by. Looks like it's still continuing to generate. And then it's just grabbing random pictures. Like, what is this Michelin Ferrari? What does that have to do with me at all? And this girl holding a gin and tonic. Like, she's cute, but what does this have to do with anything related to the Go Joe Show? Yeah, I'm super not impressed by this at all. Let's go to Google Ads and see if maybe we get something a little bit better. All right, it's creating some Google Ads. It looks like we'll at least here get a little bit more copy, which is kind of what I was looking for. The taglines, I think it would just be like a headline that I would use for maybe a YouTube story. Well, a story, a YouTube video. Generating D. Make sure you got some tea handy so you can sit here and drink some tea while you're waiting for these ads to generate over on Snazzy.ai. Really excited about this whole GPT-3 thing. I know I did a video on it a while ago. If you want to learn about it, you can check out that video as well. I'm going to try to put a card in if you want to just click it and learn more about GPT-3. I also played through an AI generated dungeon in that one, which was very interesting. It devolves very quickly. It starts off good and then it just loses its way. So we finally got this here. Go Joe Show. Oh, still creating? You done? You're done. Go Joe Show giveaway, the world's largest show, vlogs and random shows. A daily YouTube show. Get informed, get motivated, get a free compliment. I do like that. Get informed, get motivated, get a free compliment. You cutie. Best tech show on YouTube, collection of videos, episode 212, Go Joe Show, technology news, reviews, commentary. The Go Joe Show is about life, technology, and everything in between. Kinda, not really though. Second one, Go Joe Show, a daily YouTube show, Go Joe Show, build your first website. I'm not going to help you build a website. Maybe I'll do an episode on it, but not today. Looks like, though, someone at some point will make a GPT-3 website maker. Go Joe Show, motivational thoughts. Tell us how we are doing. Mentor your dreams. What is going on? These are the weirdest generating ones. It might be my fault for the bad input, but this is just not good. Not at all. We'll try to generate a tagline from Snazzy for maybe one redeeming thing, something redeeming. The only thing so far that was redeeming was like, get motivated, get inspired, get a free compliment. You cutie. Taglines. It's free compliments. Get your Go Joe on. Be motivational. Be legendary. Whoa, legendary. We do tech the easy way. None of this fits my vibe or my show at all. So in conclusion, I don't even need to jump into much here. I thought I was going to have to do like a good compare and contrast, but it's so simple, so easy. Copysmith is so much better than Snazzy.ai. I feel bad that Snazzy went in their comments and said, hey, you guys stole our idea, because whatever Snazzy is doing, however they trained their algorithms, is not as on point as Copysmith. If you need to generate copy for yourself for a product description, especially if you're selling something online, highly recommended. Use Copysmith. I was very impressed with what they generated from and about me with very little input and very random input. I mean, I put bald, slightly funny, likes video games, technology, window wanderer, motivational, thoughtful Thursday. These are just random words that really don't relate much at all. So if you have a strong product that actually has a unique selling point, a USP, this can generate probably amazing copy. I'm very impressed by Copysmith. I'd like to see someone else use it with an actual product. If you do that, do let me know in the comments, because I'd love to check it out. That's been today's Joe Show, Technology Tuesday. If you like my content, hit that subscribe button and mash that bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video, which on Tuesdays is generally about tech technology. And come back and check out some of my other content. Tell a friend about me and send show ideas or vibes or whatever to hijoeshow@gmail.com. And until next time, tech something good, because I love you, cutie.